Hello again and welcome to Tablet Guide. Today we're going to be looking at the Parblo Ninos M graphics tablet. Inside the box you get the tablet itself, pen, USB cable and two USB adapters, nib extractor and spare nibs. The tablet itself measures 9 inches by 6 inches, and the unusual thing in the corner, well, you'll find out what that's for later. The pen feels extremely light but comfortable enough to hold and use. It's a 2-button pen and supports 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. Overall, the drawing experience with this tablet was pretty good. Lines tapered well, pressure sensitivity worked, had no problems at all with this tablet. The pen is extremely light but comfortable enough to hold and use. It has 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and is also battery free. It also supports 60 degrees of tilt. It's a 2-button pen, and by default the bottom button toggles between pen and eraser mode, whilst the top button acts as right click. These can be modified in the driver software. It's pretty much a no-frills tablet, but does exactly what you'd expect it to do. If you're a budding cartoonist or a designer with a small budget, or even looking to get your first tablet, then this could be exactly what you're looking for. By using the 8 express keys across the top of the tablet, you can open the driver software, zoom in, zoom out, increase and decrease brush size, undo and create a new document. You can also save whilst you're working. When drawing with the tablet, the pen does produce a scratchy kind of sound, but it's only a small niggle. The driver software is straightforward and easy to use. Divided into 4 separate sections, you can change the pen pressure, reassign the keys, and if you're lucky enough to have a multi-monitor set up, you can map the tablet to the relevant screen. Should you have any problems, there's a handy link to technical support in the About section of the software. That's about it for this review, so thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now just before you go, if you've been wondering what is that thing on the top right of the corner, stay tuned, all will be revealed. See you next time.